Welcome to Tom Yum Lichong Vlog. This is Jam again, and I'm with this girl. I'm gonna do like simple interview for her. Like, can you please introduce yourself? Pangalan mo, edad mo, saan ka taga-saan ka?
Nga, ang
Pangal,
pangalan
oh.
ko. Judy Ann Pinik daw. And 25 years old.
Hawak ko lang siguro sa bunga gabo para maririnig ka. Okay. So, what do you do for your living? Like, you know,
My name is Judy
anong
Ann.
ginagawa mo? Anong ginagawa mo ngayon?
Sa bahay.
Iyan ang sabi mo.
Nag-aalaga ng bata.
Just
Tapos,
taking the baby, then
um,
how can you like, how can you provide your needs? Saan ka nakakakuha ng pera?
sa asawa ko, nagtatrabaho lang. Nagtatrabaho, nagtitinda, ganun.
Oh, you have a husband that's working.
Mm.
Okay. Like, do you work?
Wala man.
Before?
Hindi man ako nagtrabaho. Umpisa nun. Asawa ko lang.
Dati?
Ano? Waitress.
Oh, before, like guys, she work in a bar as a waitress. Okay. How's the experience to work in a bar as a waitress?
Hmm.
Anong experience mo na nagtatrabaho ka sa bar na
Hindi ako nagtrabaho, nag-waitress
Oo
lang.
nga, yun nga, yung as a waitress.
Nag-ano, yung nag... Kasi,
Like serving people for the drink.
Oo, nag-drinks lang, nag-abot-abot, ganun.
Okay. Like, do they give you a tip? Like, in the bar, they need to give you a tip or what?
Minsan,
How much tip did he give you?
50, ganyan. 200.
Okay. Like, can you like, why you didn't get any bar fine on the bar? Ba't di ka nag-ano ng bar fine sa bar?
Yan, asawa ko yun.
Okay. Your husband didn't like you to get a bar fine in a bar. But you work in a bar, so he agreed you to work in a bar. Nagtrabaho ka nga ng as waitress. So, pumayag siya.
Oo, kasi waitress lang naman din, para lang matulungan ko rin yung mga anak ko, ganun. Mas supportahan ko sila ng makakain nila.
Okay. Like, how much, like, salary as a waitress? Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Like, how much your salary? Magkano yung sahod mo, as a waitress?
350.
Oh, it's a big.
Yun.
350 a day?
Yes. Pero minsan na, nung unang start ko,
Starting is?
280.
Okay, okay, okay. Like, so now you just left the bar. Umalis ka na sa bar.
Oo. Kasi nga, nakapag-asawa ko, tapos, nagkaanak kami, inalagaan ko na lang yung mga anak ko.
You just take care of the babies. How many babies do you have? Ilang anak meron ka?
3. 3.
Oh, you have a 3. How old's your kids? Ilang taon na?
May 5, may 6, may 1,
Ano?
may 5, may 6, may 1.
Oh, you have a baby. May anak ka pang bata. Yung
Yun, isang taon.
Oh, okay. You know, um, how's the feeling for being a mother? Like, you look stressed, girl.
Oh, minsan.
Like, though that's hard for being, like, you have a 3 kids. You're not, you know, you're not getting, like, stressed because your husband, what's your work of your husband again?
Ano lang, yung nagtitinda lang siya ng manok.
Ah, selling the chicken.
Yes.
Oh. So yes. How much the salary of your husband? Ganun mo pag yung yan nga. How much is your salary of your husband that's selling the chicken? Magkano yung sahod ng asawa mo sa pagbebenta ng manok?
500, ganun.
A day?
Mm-mm. Kasi ano siya, 3 piso siya sa isang manok. Ganun.
What?
500.
Oh, okay. Like, you didn't think about to work in a bar as a dancer because you need to help your husband. Hindi mo inisip magtrabaho sa bar as a dancer para matulungan mo yung asawa mo.
Hindi rin siya pumayag eh. Ayaw niya.
Ah, okay. He just wants you to like stay at home,
Mm.
take care of the babies.
Mag-alaga. Ganun.
Okay. Can you please can you please share us the worst story do you have? Yung hindi mo makakalimutan na story na meron ka.
Nung mga bata pa kami, kahit Tagalogin ko.
Ganun mo lang yung mic para maririnig ka nila.
Kahit nung yung bata pa kami, naranasan namin yung mga lakal lang, ganun. Pinalaki kami ng nanay namin, ganun. Na sa pangangalakal lang. Dati namin kasi noon, nabae siya, pinaruga kami ng nanay ko.
Okay, can you please stand up? Turn around, come here. Turn around. Turn around, ikot ka. Okay, sit down. Okay. Like, yung hindi mo talaga siya, yung hindi mo makakalimutang story meron ka, yung best story na-share mo.
Yung isang bata kami, ganun.
Hindi, yung ngayon.
Ngayon na meron kami. Yung asawa ko, ganyan. Pagtitinda lang na kahit nahihirapan din kami sa araw-araw. Tapos, kumikita lang siya, ganyan. 3 pa yung anak namin. Ko kasi, araw-araw din. Araw-araw, nagbabayad kami ng malaki rin yung namin sa araw-araw.
So that's hard for you? Yung ba sa'yo yun? Mahirap ba sa'yo yun?
Oo, mahirap din. Kasi ganyan lang yung trabaho niya. Tapos, 3 pa yung anak namin. Sa araw-araw ng pangtustos din, nahirapan din siya. Naintindihan ko naman yun. Kung ako lang din, gusto ko magtrabaho, pero ayaw lang niya. Mahirap din.
If you have the opportunity to work in a bar, like, going in a bar, go back on the bar, working as a dancer, you can left your husband because, no, sorry. You can't left your husband because, yeah, it is, he's the, he's the best father on your child.
Wala yun yung tatay ko.
Hindi, yung asawa mo.
Patay na rin.
Asawa mo?
Hindi, akala ko yung sa asawa ko, yung niya.
Hindi, asawa mo. Yung sa asawa mo nga. Tapos, yung ganitong, ganyan, ina mo lang kung maisip na, yung, you most need the money. Like, you can find a job that she can agree about this. You can agree about your job, about your work, because you need the money for your child. It's like, it's hard for your husband. It's hard for you because you have three kids. The one years old, the
Yeah.
one is 3 years old,
5
5 years old, and the
and
one 6.
6.
Oh, okay. You have three kids, so you can, it's hard here in the Philippines to find a job, find a good job. So you most need to try in a bar so you can, you don't have any like any now, but yeah, like I was trying to say, like, most need the money. Why don't want to try as a freelancer? Yung mga huy ba?
Ako, hindi ko pinag-isipan, hindi ko pinag-anuan yun na gumanon.
Oh, you don't like as a freelancer. Why you don't look the comments. Ang tawag dito? Why you don't like doing as a freelancer?
No.
Why?
Mm, dahil din sa nakakaya.
Why are you shy? You most need the money. You have three kids. You don't need to shy.
Ayaw ng ano ko yun.
Can you
Hindi ko
please
naman
loud
sa
your
ano.
voice because they can't hear you. Takas mo konting boses mo.
Ano ba sasabihin ko?
Yung ano nga ba tayo mo nga mag-freelancer? Okay.
Hindi niya gustong magtrabaho ko dahil daw sa nakakaya. Chismis doon, chismis dito.
Oh, you're like, your husband did they allow you to do as a freelancer because maybe she's shy, guys. Yeah, that's all. Most people, I don't know. That's even different personality. That if you like, if you want that to do, you can do. If you don't want, it's okay. It's up to you guys. If you want. Um, do your children's like studying now?
Mm.
Nag-aaral sila?
Oo.
What grade are they?
Yung panganay, grade 1.
Oh,
Si yung 6 years old.
grade 1?
Mm.
Then
Hindi ko pa pinag-aral yung isa.
okay.
Kaya ayaw pa niya. Tsaka hindi ko pa nais yung birth certificate niya kasi wala pa kami maparestro. Ganun.
A poor girl. So that's what I'm trying to, advise to advise what I can say, what I can advise to you. I'm trying to, you most need to do as a, yeah, you most, what I call is this, you must go back in a bar to work as a waitress because maybe your husband, he's tired, so you need to help him. Ano daw sabi ko kasi, kailangan mong bumalik doon sa trabaho mo dati para matulungan mo yung asawa mo, para para yung sa
Kung
mga anak mo.
naglalakad na yung maliit ko, kay yung mister ko din, nagtitinda rin. Nanay ko naman, nandun sa kapatid ko. Wala rin mag-aalaga sa bunso ko.
Your problem is your little one. No one take caring of your little one.
Pero kung naglalakad na siya, pwede na ako sumabak magtrabaho. Sipag naman ako sa bahay.
Why you don't want to try another work or what? Ayaw mo ba mag-try ng ibang trabaho para matulungan mo yung asawa mo na kaya mong isama yung anak mo?
Kung pwede lang yun, ha?
Yeah, meron.
Gugustuhin ko rin na basta huwag yung masyadong mabigat na trabaho, ganun.
Why you can't work like hardworking? Ayaw mong magtrabaho nung yung hindi mabigat na trabaho, hindi mo ba kaya ng mabigat na trabaho?
Kaya ko kung wala yung malit ko.
Ah, okay.
Siyempre, hindi ka naman makapagtrabaho na may bigat kung sakaling kasama mo yung malit, di ba?
Oo nga, wala ba daw nagbabantay sa mga anak mo na pwede mong pag-iwanan?
Wala man. Wala akong pagkakatiwalaan sa mga kasama ko sa bahay.
Yung mga kapatid mo, ganun, may like your siblings or what?
Wala nilang silbi yung mga yun.
Ah, I thought your siblings can help you for, take caring your little one. Your little one is how what I call is this shit. You interrupt me. Okay. Do you like sometimes if you're horny, who like do you ask your husband for sex? Pag nalilibugan ka, ikaw ba yung nag-aaya sa husband mo o ikaw? Siya?
Siya,
Oh, even you're horny?
tulog na ako, ganun. Siya.
When you're sleeping, then she tries to tell me that when she is already asleep, and her husband like, sex. Do you like it?
Yes, masarap naman eh.
Like, you like, you like the, do you mole do you mole?
Ano yun?
Umuungol ka ba?
Slight.
Can we hear it?
Hindi na. Pagod.
Hindi, pwede parinig kung paano ka umungol daw.
Shit. Shut up.
When you like, when you do that sex, your kids are sleeping or they're awake?
Sleeping. Siyempre. Paano maano kung gising sila? Eh di...
Maybe they are going outside.
Hindi Slight lang.
But you like it. Gusto mo. Nagustuhan mo.
Hindi naman. Medyo.
What if your husband want to, like, more sex or what? Yung araw-araw na
Hindi naman. 2 days, 3 days, ganyan.
2 days a week or 3 days a week, you mean?
Weeks. 2 days. Minsan, 4 days lang palipas. Oh.
A week? 4 days a week?
Mm.
Okay.
Pero isang beses lang sa isang araw yun
Okay.
1 day lang.
So you mean is one day, like, one day one boom boom, then second day one boom boom, like that? What time do you do that? Morning, afternoon? Morning, afternoon, or what?
Siyempre, gabi na. Afternoon.
Hindi daw sila nakakaintindi ng Tagalog. Hindi mo ba taga kaya mag-English kahit konti lang?
Hindi man.
Okay. Hindi ka naman, okay lang yun. Hayaan mo sila. Hayaan mo sila. They are, Hindi ko. Hirap. Exactly. Mr. Me because the interview doesn't translate what the girl say. Ay, nangangati yung ulo ko sa inyo, guys. By the way, uh, appreciate you to come here in my show. Appreciate you to come here in my show, and thank you for share us your story. I appreciate you, and thank you guys for watch this video. Please hit the like button, watch this video, and comment below. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Bye.